Yeah, good afternoon. Today our discussion about GT19, numerical ability, clerk prelims. Let's check the questions. Look at the first one. Two trains travel in the same direction. Clearly mentioned same direction. If it is same direction, automatically the speed will be reduced. The speed will be reduced means it is become what 140 minus 72.5. It is the speed is become what 67.5 km per hour. Speed into time we can apply. You will get length of the train. Okay. Speed is 67.5. The time is how many seconds? 8 seconds. Speed into time. But the speed is converted into kilometer per hour, converted into meter per second. Kilometer per hour converted into meter per second means we should multiply with what is the number? 5 by 8. This is will simplify to get the final answer. Okay. So here 8 into 5. 8 into 5 is how much? 40. The 40 will be multiplied to 67.5. 67 into 4 by 18. Am I right? One decimal will be cancelled by 1 0. 675 into 4. 675 into 4 is how much? 75 4s are 300, 6 4s are is 2400 plus overall 2700 by 18. 9 2s are 9 300. 300 by 2 equal to how many meters? 150 meters. Then option B. Ram's age and Sham's age ratio is 3:4. It is a final ratio is 2:3. How many years ago? 7 years ago. 1 part decrease, 1 part decrease. It is equal to 7 years decrease. 1 part equal to 7 years, then 3 parts equal to 21, 4 parts equal to 28. But they are asking the age after 5 years. After the 5 years means plus 5 and plus 5. The ratio of the ages is how much? 26 and 33. Option D. The cost of fencing circular plot at the rate of 15 rupees per meter, 3,300. Circular plot, that means the fencing of circular plot means there is a circle. Circle circumference of formula is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is how much expenditure? 3,300 expenditure. Each meter is 3,300 means how much meter is there? Then 2 pi r equal to, you can write 22 by 7 into r equal to 22 0. Okay, 15 2s are 15 2s are. Cancel with 22. 22 10s are and 2 to 10 5 times. Then r equal to how much? 35. Okay, we are applying circumference of circle. Circumference of circle formula is this. But they are asking cost of lowering. Clearly asking cost of lowering. Plot the rate 100 rupees square meter. 100 rupees square meter means area of circle now. Area of circle formula pi r square. Then pi r square, this is the area we get. Each meter square equal to how much rupees? 100. Okay, this is giving area. Area into each meter square is equal to 100. We will get a final answer. Pi r square will write it. Pi r square means pi value 22 by 7. Then r value is already we got 35 into 35 into 100. Simplify the measurement. 7 to 35 how many times? 5 times. Okay. So next 35 5s are 5 2s. This is we can write 11 into 5 into 35 into 100. Is it right? Yes. So 22 you can write 11 into 2. 2 into 5 is how much? 10. 10 into 100 it is equal to 1000. That means answer is contain 3 zeros. 35 11s are. 35 11s answer is what? Yes. 385 000. Then answer is option D. And pi is always combination of 22 by 7. The answer is multiple of 2 into 11. The answer is multiple of 2 into 11. 11 multiples only on option. The option is D. There is no other option like multiple of 11. A question paper consists of 50 questions. Each correct answer get 3 marks and 1 mark for negative. 1 mark for negative, positive purpose 3 marks. I will go with the options. Overall how many questions? 50 questions. 50 correct means 50 wrong. Am I right? 50 correct means 50 is wrong. If you are corrected, how many questions, how many marks will we get? 75. From that, wrong mark will be removed. 75 minus 25 equal to how much? 50. But it should be not equal to 90. Then this first option is wrong. And second option, 35 into 3. 35 correct. 35 correct means 15 wrong. 15 wrong. Because total questions are 50 only. Out of 50, 35 correct means 15 wrong. 35 3s are 105. 15 1 is 15. 105 minus 19 equal to what? LHS equal to RHS. Which option is right? Option B. They are given correct questions. Correct questions. Remaining questions are wrong questions. A truck covers a distance of 270 kilometers in 30 km. That means it is equal to how many hours journey? 9 hours journey. Average speed of the car is going to cover how many kilometers more? 90 kilometers more. That means 270 already covered by truck and extra covered by car. This is in the same journey of 9 hours. Same journey. It is 30, it is 10. 30 plus 10 means car speed. Car speed is how many kilometers per hour? 40. Option A. Same time, when the distance is more, what is the speed of the car? Speed of the car is 40. They mentioned data like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, Saturday. Okay, values are already there. We'll go with calculator. Yeah. Look at the question. The question was, if ratio of male to female visitors in 7:5, they are asking for female. Female means how many parts? 5 by 12. Total parts is 12 parts. In this 5 by 12. Particularly, they are asking for Wednesday. Wednesday is how many members? 22. 22 percentage. These are our percentage. 12 percentage, 16 percentage, 22 percentage, 20 percentage, and remaining percentage. So Saturday contain 5 percentage. 5 by 12. Females visitors who visited on Wednesday are 1100. This gives rise to 1100. Find the total number of visitors who visited on Monday and Tuesday. Monday is 12 percentage, Tuesday is 7 percentage. It is a 12 plus 16 is how much percentage? 28. 28 percentage value is what? This is the way we ask the question. So simplify the measurements. So 11 how many times? 2 times 2 to 6, 6 times. 5 percentage equal to 5 percentage equal to 600. 5 percentage equal to 600. 1 percentage equal to 120. 1 percentage equal to 120. I need how much percentage? 28 percentage. We'll multiply with 120. Okay. 12 20s are 240. 12 8s are 96. 240 plus 96 means 3360. Then answer is 3360. The option is A. 5 by 12 of 22% is given. They are asking 28%. If the ratio of male to female on Thursday and Friday are 3:2, 8:7 respectively. Female Thursday. Thursday value is Thursday is how much percentage? 20%. Friday is how much percentage? 25%. From this we will consider females. 20% is 3:2. 3:2 means 3 plus 2 is equal to how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 20% means females is how many parts? 2 parts. So female they are asking. The ratio of male to female Thursday, Friday. Then 8:7. And sum of male they are asking. 2 parts equal to 1 part equal to 4. 1 part equal to 4. Then 3 parts equal to how much? 12. 3:2. This 20% we have to share. 3 by 5 of 20% plus 8 by 15 of Friday, 25%. We should simplify this. 5 to 20 4 times and 5 3s are 5 5s are. 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 plus 8 5s are 40 all by 3. This is the overall percentage. 36 plus 40 equal to how much percentage? 76 by 3%. 76 by 3% is equal clearly mentioned 1900. This is the value is mentioned. This is for male. Male particularly for Thursday and Friday overall value 1900. Question is about asking total visitors who visited on Monday. Who visited Monday? 12%. 12% value is what? Simplify the questions. 19 ones are 19 how many times? 4 times. 4 by 3% is equal to 100. That means 4 by 3% is equal to 100 means 4% is equal to how many members? 300. 4% is equal to 300, then 12% is equal to how many members? Both sides multiply with 3. It is equal to how many members? 900. Female visitors on Tuesday are what percentage? Female visitors Tuesday. Female visitors Tuesday means 7 parts. 7 by 16 into 16%. Female visitors Tuesday is how much percentage? 16%. And what percentage of Friday? Friday is how much percentage? 25. Female visitors on Friday. Female visitors is 7. 7 by 15 into 25%. And I need overall percentage will multiply with 100. Cancel the measurement. 7 7 cancel. 16 16 cancel. 25 4s are. Then 15 4s are equal to how much percentage? 60%. They are not asking more percentage, less percentage, direct percentage. Then which option is right? Option C. What is the ratio of total visitors who visited on Tuesday and Wednesday together to the total visitors on Friday and Saturday? Tuesday is how much? 16 and Wednesday is 22. It is equal to how much? 38. Okay. And next, Friday and Saturday. Friday and Saturday is 30. Both are cancelled with 2 table. 2 table means what is the ratio? 19 is to 15. 19 is to 15 means which option is right? Option D is right. The ratio of male to female visitors who visited on Thursday and Saturday 3:2, 5:2 respectively. So particularly they are asking for difference. The difference between male visitors Thursday. Thursday is how much? 20% and Saturday is 5%. Particularly for male, 3/5 of 20% minus 5/8 of 5%. This is the value is required. Difference means then 5 to 20 4 times, 3 4s are 12, 12 8s are 96 minus 20 and 8. This value is required. This value is mentioned 1420. 1420. So 3/5 of 20%, 5/8 of 5%. 5 5 is 40. 40 will take 25. So 8 4s are 32, 32 3s are 96. 96 minus 25 means how much percentage? 7/8% equal to 1420. The question is, then find the total visitor who visited on Friday. Friday is how much percentage? 25% value is what? 71 ones are 71 twos are. 1/8% is equal to 20. 1/8% is equal to 20 members means then 1% is equal to how many members? 1% is equal to 160. 1% is equal to 160 means 100% is equal to 16,000. 1% is equal to 160 means 100% is equal to 16,000. But I need 25%. It is equal to how much? 4,000. Then option B. It is a quadratic equation. 2 9s are 18. 18 factors are 6, 3 and divided by 2. And 27 cancel to 27. Y cube is equal to 27. Y equal to what is the answer? 3. And compare the results. 6/2 to 3, it is equal. 3/2 to 3, it is a 3 is bigger. Then answer is what is answer? X less than or equal to Y. Here negative, here negative. Answer is what? Cannot be determined. Next, this is a linear equation. 8x plus 40 equal to 7y. And second equation totally multiply with 8. 8x into 8x and 8 2s are 16y. 16y and 8 4s are 32. Constant by constant, x by x, y by y. We'll write that. Then cancel the measurements. This is going to cancel and 40 plus 32 it is a 72. 7 minus 16y minus 9y. Then y equal to what is answer? Minus 8. Y equal to minus 8 will substitute in second equation. Second equation is x minus 2 into minus 8 equal to 4. Minus into minus plus 8 to the 16. From 16 4 will be removed. The result is what? Minus 12. X is bigger or y is bigger? Y is bigger, x less than y, option B. Here, first equation factors are 16, 5. 16 5 is 80, 16 plus 5 is equal to 21. Second equation factors are minus 16 plus 16. Compare it. 16 to 16, 16 is bigger. Okay. Then 5 to 16, 16 is big. 5 is bigger, and 5 to 16, 16 is bigger. 1 less than 1 greater than means relation is 1 cannot be established. These are first equation factors are minus 5, minus 7. Second equation factors are minus 8, minus 8. Minus 7, minus 8, it is a minus 15. Minus 5, minus 7, it is a minus 12. Compare it is greater and it is both are equal. Of course, comparing to minus 8, minus 5, minus 7, both are bigger. Then answer is x greater than or equal to option D. Yeah, we have a number series 825 to 582. Difference is how much? 243. 243, here difference is 81, here the difference is how much? 27, good. And here the difference is minus 3, minus 9, and here difference should be minus 3. Why minus 3? This is about 3 to the power of 1, this is about 3 square, this is about 3 cube, and this is 3 to the power of 4, and this value is 3 to the power of 5. Now 465 minus 3 equal to, answer is what is answer? 462, option A. 52 to 61. Difference is how much? 9. Okay, you can go with this is the way. 52 to 65 minus 13. 61 to 75. How much increase? 14. 75 to 89. How much increase? 14. Alternatively. Plus 14 plus 14 minus 13 minus 13. And it is a plus 14. Sorry. Plus 13 plus 13. Here the value is 65 plus 13. Answer is how much? Option B. 25 to 34 adding by 9 34 to 16, it is a difference of how much? 18, and it is adding by 27, and removing is how much? 36. Now next one is 45. It is a 9 difference. Otherwise 9 table. Then 7 plus 45 equal to, answer is 52, option C. Final to 250. Remove minus 2 and multiply with 0.5. Remove minus 2 and multiply with 5.5. It is equal to 250. And added by 2 into 1. Added by 2 into 1. And next, remove by 2 and multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. Next, added by 2, multiply with 4. Multiply with 4. 0.511, 122, 244. 500 into 502. 502 into 4. What is answer? 2008. Option D. 2 to 3 gap is how much? 1. Okay. So it's following such a different pattern. Into 2 minus 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Next is what? 3 into 2 plus 3. 3 into 2 plus 3. Next one is into 2 minus 1. Next into 2 plus 3. It is next into 2 minus 1. Next into 2 plus 3. Common terms is a multiplication, but removing adding by minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 plus 3. 73 2 is 146. 146 plus 3 equal to what? 149. Option C. Next, this is a simplification. 1715 divided by 35 into 7 minus 31 into 9. 31 into 9 is 279 plus 17. This is under root. Okay, 7 to 35, 5 times 5, how many times? 5 3s are 15, remaining is 5 4s are and 5 3s are. Value is 343. For 343, 17 is added, what is the result? 360. From 360, 279 will be removed, you will get what is answer? 81. Root of 81 answer is 9, option C. Yes, I hope everyone is done simplification. Okay. So next one, 47 by 46 and multiply 23 by 235 plus 3 by 25 and into 24 4s are 96 plus x equal to 66. This is a question. Simplify the numbers. 23 2 times 47 1s are 47 5s are. LCM is 100. 2 5s are 10, 10 to 100 10 times and 25 to 100 4 times, 4 3s are 12. And which is equal to 96 plus x equal to 66. 22 to 66 3 times. 3 into 100 how much? 300. Then 96 plus x equal to 300. Then x equal to how much? 204, option A. 40% of 750. 75 4s are. 75 4s are is how much? 300. 960s are 540. Percentage wise 2 zeros will be going to cancel, not required. And 50% of 624, it is equal to 312. 300 312 cancel, it is a minus 12. From 500 12 will be removed, you will get 528. Option B. 35 square, this is given 35 square and 23 square under root of 841 minus 40 square and 32 square and 6 square. This is a basic question. 35. Apply the a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. 35 plus 23, 58, 58. 35 minus 23 is how much? 12. Root of 841 answer? 29. And 40 plus 32, it is a 72. And into 40 minus 32, it is equal to what? 8. 6 square answer is 36. Cancel the measurements. 29 to 58 2 times, 36 to 72 2 times. 12 2s are 24, 8 2s are 16. From 24, 16 will be removed. The result is 8, option B. Here, percentage of 2314, percentage of 1682. 1686 and 2314 both are added. You will get x percentage of 4000. And 54 6 are. 6 4s are 24, 6 50s are 300. It is equal to 324. 26 square is equal to 676. And percentage means we should write x by 100 into 4000, which is equal to 1000. 1000 to 4000, 4 times, 4 to 100, 25 times. Then x equal to answer is 25. Option D. This is a mixed fraction. 2 1 by 3 plus 5 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 and x minus 8 3 by 4. This is a basic question. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. 7 minus 3? 4. And minus 8 is coming to the other side. It is a plus 8. And it is a plus 1 by 3. plus 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equal to x. Plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancel, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 equal to 1. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 1 equal to answer is 13. Option B. 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 into 3 to the power of 6 by 9 to the power of 2 into 4 to the power of 2 plus 7 equal to x square. This is, you can change it. 3 to the power of 6. 3 to the power of 6 you can write it what? 9 cube. 3 to the power of square you can write 9 cube or what? 9 cube, no? So look at 9 square is cancelled, 9 cube cancel. What is the result? 9. 9. Good. And 2 to the power of 5 equal to 32. 4 square equal to 16. 16 to 32 how many times? 2 times. 2 9s are 18 plus 7 equal to x square. This result is how much? 25. Then x square is equal to 25, x equal to answer is 5. Here 9097 is divisible by 11 into 10 equal to x plus 15.7. Cancel with 11. 11 8s are, 11 2s are, 11 7s are. 82.7.10 means it is a 82.7. It's when you divide it with 10 and remove the 15.7 to get the answer. Answer is, what is answer? 67, option C. 15 12s are 180 and 11 5s are is 110 and 15 17s are 16 minus 1, 16 plus 1. 256 minus 1, it is equal to 255. 255 means nothing but it is a minus 255 plus x. 180 minus 10, it is a what? 70. 70 added to 255. Answer is, what is answer? 325. 35 5s are. 35 5s is how much? 5 30s are 150, 5 5s is 25, 175. 19 7s are. So 170 plus 130. 170 plus 130, 300. Extra 5 plus 3, it is a 308. 308 is removing from 400, x equal to what is answer? 92, option D. If the numerator of a fraction, numerator and denominator will take x by 5. Already numerator 100% is increased by 500% means it is a 600%. Denominator is already 100% increased by 800% means it is a 900%, which is equal to 18 by 23. So cancel the measurement, percentage and symbol cancel. 6 to 8 in 3 times, then x by y equal to 9 3s are how much? 27 by 23, option A. A boat goes 144 kilometers, 54 kilometers, this is down and this is up. Total journey is, time is how many hours? 9 hours. Totally divide with 3. Divided with 3. Total equation divided by 3. 144 by 3 is 48. 54 by 3 is 18. 9 by 3 equal to how much? And again multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. 48 2s are. 96, 18 2s are. 36, 3 2s are. How many hours journey? Option D. Finally, we have to cover 96 km downstream, 36 km upstream. One girl, one boy, it's a R and combination is there. R and combination purpose, we have a one formula. Days by, will take genders. M2 by M1 plus W2 by W1 and C2 by C1. Then we'll apply the same matter. It is a total work is completed in how many days? 88 days. They are asking for the work from one girl, one boy, one children, one boy. Okay, one girl means by 1 and 2 boys means will write 2 and 3 women will write 3. This is will simplify to get an answer. 1 2 3, LCM is 6, 88 into 6 and 6 to 1 6 times, 2 to 6 3 times it is a 3, 3 to 6 2 times it is a 2. 6 plus 3 plus 2 equal to 11, 11 to 88 8 times. 8 6 is equal to how many days? 48 days, option C. The number obtained interchanging the digits of 2-digit number is less than original number by 63. 29 interchanged it is how much? 92. Difference is how much? Minus 63. I need only 63. This is wrong. And 92 interchanged it is a 29. 92 to 29 difference is how much? 63. Right. That is option B. Interchange it and make the difference, you will get 63. 2 pipes P and Q. It is completed in 4 hours and it is completed in 3 hours. Tank capacity is how many liter mentioned? 36 liters, and write the efficiency. What is the efficiency? Per hour. Per hour, how many liters will be filled? 9. And per hour, how many liters will be filled? 12. Okay. Which pipe is filling first? P pipe. First 1 hour, P pipe. Second pipe, 2. Next, this is P. This is Q. Next to P. Next. How many liters completed till now? 30 complete. It is a small destination, no small target. 30. Extra, how many liters are required? 6. Who will fill? Q. Q will fill how many liters? 6 hours. 6 liters. 6 liters in how many hours? 1 hour, 12 liters. 6 liters means half an hour. Already how many hours journey? 3 hours plus 0.5 hours. Total journey is how many hours? 3.5. Option E. Thank you.